Today I'm explaining about timing of the screw. Introduction to timing of the screw. The phrase timing of the screw refers to a metaphorical concept involving humorous or metaphorical concept involving controller mastery over a difficult situation. It can relate to mechanical devices such as screws or metaphorical to personal or social challenges. Understanding this phrase requires exploring its origins, applications, and cultural significations. The introduction about the timing screw is the mechanical devices, screws, and the social challenges, the applications and cultural signification involving the control of difficult situations, etc. Origins of the phrase. The phrase is believed to originate from mechanical engineering context where controlling a screw is metaphor of gaining mastery. It has been used historically in literature and colloquial speech to describe overcoming stubborn problems. The phrase gained popularity in 20th century through various cultural references and adaptations. It has been used historically in likely to overcoming the speeches and etc. The submarine and centuries through over the cultural references and adaptations. Mechanical perspective. The screw is a simple machine that converts a rotational force into a linear motion. Timing screw mechanical involves understanding threading, torque, and proper tools. Properly controlling a screw ensures precise assembly and functionality in engineering applications. Here the timing of a screw, force, screw, and thread. The screw has a raised thread wrapped around it. When you turn the screw, the threads into a material. This mechanism can also be a holds objects in place. To the can be used the hold objects in place to the mechanical context. Screw ensures the metaphorical use in personal development. The phrase is often used to describe mastering difficult personal challenges or habits. Having the screw metaphorically signifies gaining control over chaos or disorder in life. It emphasizes precision, skill, and perseverance in overcoming obstacles. Having the screw in mechanical engineers focus on proper torque applications, lubrication, and threading techniques are essential for effective screw control. Advanced tools, machines, assistant precise fastening and unfastening. To the precise screws, and you also use it in the machine design and the elements to the vibrational machines and something etc. Humor and parody. The phrase is sometimes used to humorously to describe minor frustrations with everyday screws or fasteners. It appears in jokes and cartoons, emphasizing the difficulty of seeming simple tasks. The humorous use underscores the universal experience of struggle with small mechanical tasks. To also use it to the main thing pattern. To also to as well as jokes to the cartoons emphasizing difficult of seeming tasks. Symbolism in popular culture. Timing of the screw has been used in movies and TV shows as a metaphor, control, and mastery. Talked into the usual jokes and humor and parody to the humanity and use a layers of humor or depth depending on the context. So the metaphorical control to the mastery of symbolizes overcoming the complex or stubborn problems in a comedic or dramatic way. Practical tips for timing a mechanical screw. Use the correct screwdriver and size to the avoid damaging the head. Apply steady appropriate torque to prevent slipping or breaking the screw. Use lubricants for penetrating oils to ease tight or rusted screws. Common problems and solutions. Step screw heads can be difficult to remove. Use specialized tool helps. Over tightening the threads of a torque limits can be prevent this. Rusted screws may require soaking in oil or applying to heat to chosen. So over tightening can damage. Over tightening can damage threads. The torque limit can prevent this. Rusted screws may require soaking in oil or applying hair. The role of tools in tamming the screw. Powerful tools increase efficiency but require careful handling to avoid over tightening. Specialized extraction tools remove damage or struck screw effectively. Ramming a screw in manufacturing automated machinery ensures consistent torque and placement of screws. Quality control measures prevent defects or to proper fastening. Proper training in screw fastening techniques enhances overall product reliability. The evolution of screw technology. Modern screws feature improved threading for better grip and strength. Innovations include self-tapping and self-drilling screws for specialized tasks. Smart screw systems can incorporate smooth fastening sensors to monitor fastening's quality. Timing the screw robotics. Robots are programmed to robotics are programmed to increase precision and speed. Automated screening systems improve consistency in assembled lines. Fastening in robotics help can tackle complex fastening tasks in environments. Ethical and environmental considerations. Proper disposal and recycling of screw reduce environmental impact to the environment to the through water, nature, and something like so sustainable materials and screw. Water is also a non-reliability and manufacture eco-friendly particles. Ethical manufacturing to the ethical manufacturing to the enhances safety and the durability in screw again. Case studies in timing difficult screws. Successful removal of rusted screws in historic buildings use specialized tools. Automation and manufacturing to improve screw fastening accuracy. Innovations screw design to prevent stripping ease of installation. Future trends in screw technology also is self consistent fastening and integration of smart adapt to environmental conditions, increased use of automation and AI to optimize screw fastening process. Summary of key points. Timing the screw blends mechanical mastery with metaphorical control, the proper techniques and effective control to the nature and something overcoming stubborn challenges with used to the metaphorical control and essential for effective control. The phrase symbolizes broad of themes of overcoming stubborn challenges. Final thoughts. Whether literal or metaphorical time, the screw requires patience, skills, and cultural with technology, embarrassing both humor and it helps us master screw challenges. Thank you.